Order fill.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday, August 19th, 2024, and we're going up with QQQ. H pattern. H pattern. H pattern. H pattern. H pattern. Lightning to the upside. And we also have wide state in our 1 minute. Wide state in our 2 minute.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, we went up with speed and violence on this impulse wave. So we're going to wait for the corrective wave, and then after the corrective wave, we'll play it bar by bar and manage accordingly. And here, impulse. Here's our corrective wave in our 1 minute chart, and we expect another impulse coming up, going up to the 200. Once it plays off the 200, we'll decide. Then we'll start looking at the 2 minute, see what that gives us. And again, as always, we'll play it bar by bar. Right here is where I expect the price to go up to here shortly. We might get another retrace, and if this drops, it might drop down to the 21 and bounce off the 21 on our 2 minute chart. So we're going to leave our stop where it's at. We locked in half our gains, but based on how much this retraces on the 2 minute, we'll decide on when and how to manage moving forward. So on the 2 minute chart, we impulse from here to here, and we retrace down to here, roughly speaking. So after this price takes off and starts to revisit the high of the day again, we'll start to move our stop to lock in more and more profits. But as you can see, right around that 50% up move, so it's roughly around the 475.50-ish area, 475.75 area. That's where I would like to see the price go. The odds statistically, if it holds in this area on the 21 moving average on our 2 minute chart, and we get past the high of the day, there is a chance that if it's going to fail, it won't have enough juice to continue. It'll probably fail around the 50% area on the next impulse up. So again, as always, we're going to manage bar by bar the statistical probabilities moving forward. All right, now that we broke the high of the day, we're going to lock in a $1 guaranteed move. And I want to see how this price is going to react to the 475.50 area. If we don't get enough speed and violence to continue on and move higher and higher in the next moment or two, we will just take our profits at this point, because this is taking a while to continue up to the statistical areas that we're looking at. If we get little to no follow through after this bar closes, we'll wait a couple seconds after the next bar opens. If it doesn't move with speed and violence higher, we'll just pull our profits.
Order fill.
And there's a $1.50 move on QQQ today, ladies and gentlemen. As always, never forget, be a pro.